The ruling party DMK has held a protest against Prime Minister Narendra Modi's remarks that the missing treasure room keys of Puri Jagannath Temple had reached Tamil Nadu. This comes after Prime Minister Modi, during an election rally in Odisha's Angul, stated that the missing keys of the Lord Jagannath's temple's treasure room was sent to Tamil Nadu 6 years ago. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has condemned the speech and has accused the Prime Minister of vilifying Thamizar as robbers. Let's first listen into what the Prime Minister has earlier stated.
श्री जगन्नाथ मंदिर के श्री रत्न भंडार के गर्भगृह के आंतरिक कक्ष की चाबियां पिछले 6 साल से लापता है। इतना बड़ा अमूल्य खजाना जो भगवान जगन्नाथ के ताबे में है, आप उसको भी संभाल नहीं पाए, चाबी खो गई। आप मुझे बताइए, मेरे उड़ियावासी, आप जरा बताइए, मेरे तो दिल को चोट पहुंची है। मैं आपको पूछता हूं, और आज पूरे देश को चोट पहुंच रही है जब सुनेंगे तो, क्या आपको ये जानने का अधिकार है कि नहीं है कि चाबियां कहां गई?
All right, there, of course, viewers, you've heard what the Prime Minister had to say earlier. Now, of course, the DMK is staging a protest against this. My colleague Belly Thomas joins on the broadcast with further details. Belly, over to you.
Certainly, Pia. It's war of words between the DMK cadres led by the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Stalin, who says that the Prime Minister Modi, who holds the highest office in the country, has put the Tamilian community in bad light by literally calling them robbers, is what he referred to. And this comes with the backdrop of the private secretary of the Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's private secretary V.K. Pandian is from Tamil Nadu, and he had been with Naveen Patnaik for over the past 12 years, and it is V.K. Pandian who calls the shots in the Odisha. So, Prime Minister Modi, during a campaign at Angul, had in an election campaign, had referred to the lost key of the Jagannath Puri temple has got to Tamil Nadu. Why? Because a committee was formed under V.K. Pandian, and that was the committee that was looking into the lost key of the treasure trove in the temple. So, since the past 6 years, the key is said to be not found, and the BJP, in its poll promise, had said that when BJP comes into power in Odisha, they would certainly find the key. So, the BJP state president in Tamil Nadu, Annamalai, has also reacted on this issue, bringing off all the history as to how V.K. Pandian called the shots in Odisha, being a private secretary to the Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. Pia.
Indeed, and to give our viewers a little background, the Ratna Bhandar of the Jagannath Temple has been opened only 4 times in the last century, that is in 1984, 1978, 1926 and 1905. On the 4th of April in 2018, the government did attempt to open the Ratna Bhandar for a physical examination, but the effort was unsuccessful. A 16-member team, in compliance with a High Court order, had entered the Ratna Bhandar to scrutinize its condition. However, they had to inspect its inner chambers from outside. An iron grill using searchlights, as the keys could not be found. And despite a thorough search in various iron chests, bank lockers, the keys remained missing. And it is on this over which the Prime Minister had made these remarks, over which now the DMK has staged a protest. Viewers, we will continue to track these updates with all of you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.